In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle outline in Canva. Open your design in Canva. We'll start by adding a circle. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then under Lines Shapes select the solid circle. If you prefer a shortcut, press the C key on your keyboard to instantly place a circle on the canvas. Position it roughly where you want it to appear in your layout. The styling you're about to apply will handle the rest. Next, turn that solid circle into an outline by removing its fill color. Click the circle to make sure it's selected, then head to the top editor toolbar and click the color tile showing the current fill. In the color panel that opens, choose the option with a red diagonal line through it. That's the no color setting, and it makes the inside of the circle transparent. You'll still see the shape's edge, which is exactly what we'll customize. With the circle still selected, set up the outline, also known as the stroke. Look for the stroke style or border style icon in the top toolbar. It looks like a line with small dots. Click it to open the border controls. Adjust the stroke weight slider to choose how thick or thin your outline should be. A lighter weight is great for subtle accents and minimalist layouts, while a heavier weight works well when you need a bold ring for badges or profile frames. You can also pick a border style here, solid for clean and classic, dash for a technical or diagram look, or dotted for a playful touch. Now, change the outline color to match your design. Click the border color tile next to the stroke style controls, then select your preferred color from the panel. Aim for a shade that contrasts with your background so the circle remains clearly visible, or choose a brand color for consistency across your project. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that you changed the border color and not the fill, and confirm the circle is selected so the correct toolbar options appear. And that's all it takes. Thanks for watching.